Hi, this is Keith Couch from Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's here on YouTube. Got one here that's a 2020 Peterbilt 389. Extended hood, ultra cab with the 78-inch stand-up sleeper. Very classic looking. I really like this in diamond white. I guess if I was going to buy a truck, this is what it would look like. It's a beautiful color. Easy to maintain, easy to keep clean. Just very classic. It's almost like a black Peterbilt. Just very classic looking. The 14-inch drop visor, and then we added 2 extra cab lights. Cleared them all. Kind of the traditional thing we do here. Got lights in front, lights in back of the air breather, and we got them inside the air breather. You can kind of see them in there. Real nice, small LED light kit, all polished stainless steel. Ben Porterfield from Chrome Country always helps me with those. Does a good job, so if you ever need some, he's your guy. It's a 280-inch wheelbase, and we're on LoPro 24.5 tires and 24.5-inch wheels. Did the round hole wheels on this one. It's got a platinum interior. $110-gallon fuel tank on this side. Toolbox and step. No rear window on these. It's a side window. The luggage compartment door. 6 load lights. The standard catwalk from Peterbilt. Peterbilt low air leaf suspension on this one. Air slide fifth wheel, Holland. Got disc brakes all the way around. Put the LED tail lights in the rear cross member. It works really well for not tearing them off in snow and ice, and tearing the wires away and things like that. This one's got Goodyear Endurance tires on them. Another step and toolbox here. A 150-gallon tank on this side, and it's all polished. If it was me, I'd paint that center cylinder, leave the ends polished and leave the straps polished. Probably even put on some wider straps. And we can do that if somebody wants it. Yeah, let's take a look at the engine. I'd probably paint the back of my headlights too. I just think that's a fantastic look. This is the Cummins X15, 15-liter, inline 6. Air ride steer axle. Takes all your noise, vibration, and harshness out. Makes it really nice to drive. Aluminum hood. Just love that diamond white color. Like a pearl white. The other side of the Cummins. Devco 382 fill filter. And we do the upgraded 37.4 CFM air compressor. Air ride steer axle. Disc brakes on the steer axle also. Let's take you inside. Gray platinum interior. We got the Sears seats. Gonna fire this up. Nice and quiet. This one's got full gauges, AM, FM, Bluetooth, and CD. 18-speed transmission. We do a factory CB in these. On the Ultra Cab, you get this extra storage up here. 7 more inches of headroom in this cab than like a flat top cab. Sears seats are very nice, very comfortable. This one's a double bunk. Second bunk up there. Oh. The business center here. Closet over here. And your fridge is up here. Extra overhead lights and a mirror. And they've got an S-bar heater back here. Right there. Got the rear AC going. It's a hot one here today. Couple of windows out each side. But just a very nice, very easy to overnight in on this cab. So just thought I'd go over this truck with you. It's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilts, Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. 970-691-3877, or you can email me at couchk, C-O-U-C-H, and then the letter K, couchk, at rushenterprises.com. Appreciate you watching. Thank you.